Hello and welcome. You're now looking at Clickfunnels.com, and Clickfunnels is a page and product management system that allows you to easily sell your products and services on the internet. It allows you not only to build landing and sales pages, but to also structure them so that they operate in a funnel where your customer will see more than one offer at a particular sale. The main features are its drag and drop interface, its shopping cart, and the integrations with other platforms. ClickFunnels does have specific pricing. The pricing includes at first level 20 funnels and then unlimited funnels in the middle tier plan. Your highest tier includes training from the ClickFunnels inventory. And there are 2 tiers of training available through its FunnelFlix platform. If you start the process from the home page, you can typically start with a 14-day trial. We're going to click this 14-day trial button. We're then going to write in our identifying information. It is possible that once you sign up, you will see a follow-up offer. You can click no thanks and go straight to your dashboard. You will then have access to the ClickFunnels dashboard, which you will then be able to walk through the initial steps and or set up your company on the platform. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.